What is that noise? I hear something. Finally, the noise stopped. It's challenge time. Play the intro before the challenge. I'm too lazy to do the intro. Ugh. I'm sick. We need a doctor. We need a doctor. The challenge is to cure me. The team who doesn't cure me is up for elimination. Guys, we have to do this. We have to win. Let's do this. Whoa, chill. I know medical conditions. What do you mean you know medical conditions? That I know how to cure him. Well, don't waste any time then. Oh my God. So, what do we do? I don't know. We just have... Oh my God, how do you guys not know? We have to cure him. Guys, bring him over here. Okay. We need to bring them over here, guys. We do. I'll go. Whee! Yay! 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 Why is your voice changing? Like mine too. And mine too. Are you speaking British? No. That sounds like British. Oh my God, what the heck was that? Everyone surround him so he doesn't get away. Meanwhile, the others. There's only 3 of us in this team. I know. Ah, what is that? I don't know what that is. Anyway, we have to cure him. I got him. Hey! my God, we have to cure him. What are you doing? Why'd you make the camera fun? Oh my God, hit him so he could get it out. If you don't cure me, both of you will be up for elimination. Get him, guys. Where'd he go? Curing a host to be safe. Guys, they got him to sleep. We have to wake him up. The heck was that for? I'm not cured. Oh, yay. You guys cured me. So, the favorites are up for elimination again. Yeah, they are up for elimination again. You're lying. Get to the elimination spot. So all of you have been up for elimination now. The 2 squids are safe, along with the 1 doggy. Yay! Penguin. Despite you just being a penguin, waddling around, not freezing anyone, you are just safe. Yay! The bottom 2 we have Among Us or Soda Cat. Soda Cat. Ooh! Among Us. What can I say except you're welcome? You are safe. Yeah. That means Soda Cat is eliminated. How much votes did I get? All of them? Why are you guys blaming me? Because you didn't do anything when we were curing him. I'm a girl. Why are you hosting this when you're a girl? And also, why do you sound like a boy? anyways, I kept them. So bye-bye, Soda Cat. Ah! So everyone that is eliminated are in the afterlife. There will be an upcoming project in the next episode. In the next episode will be an upcoming project. Make sure to stay tuned and bye.